Hi, it's Quentin here with the Sill-Ingram real estate team, welcoming you to this classic red brick detached home. Located on the northern border of Guelph's family-friendly neighborhood known as the Junction, I truly adore the character pieces of this home, like the two-piece powder room door with old world latch. The perfect blend of century home charm and modern mechanical upgrades mean you get to enjoy the very best of both worlds. The deep lot fits the oversized detached garage with plenty of room for your gardens, play forts, and entertaining friends and family. If you're ready to own your very first detached home, then come check out this listing.